faster.
No homo, bro. Not even a little bit. Fuck. Are you gay?
Yeah.
Nice.
Are you on the brink of obesity?
No. Are you me?
No. Why would I be you? Are you gay?
If I had known that you could receive clout on the internet for being ADHD, then I literally would have done this. Like, what is...
Is kissing the homies gay?
Fine ass up.
Oh! Is kissing the homies gay?
No.
Alright, kiss me on the cheek. Is kissing the homies gay?
Yeah, it is.
Hey, is kissing the homies gay?
No.
Alright. Is kissing the homies gay?
Hold on, what?
Kissing the homies gay. Alright, is kissing the homies gay?
Fuck no.
Kiss me on the cheek. Alright, kissing the homies gay.
Yes, kissing the homies is gay.
Kissing the homies gay.
Nah.
Alright, kiss me on the cheek then. Kissing the homies gay.
Nah.
Alright, kiss me on the cheek. Alright, is kissing the homies gay?
No.
Alright, kiss me on the cheek. Kissing the homies gay.
Nah.
Alright, give me a kiss on the cheek. Hey, is kissing the homies gay?
Nah.
Thank you. Kissing the homies gay.
Nah.
Kiss me on the cheek. Alright, is kissing the homies gay?
Hell no.
Kiss me on the cheek. Yeah.
Been going out to this for hours, man. I'm so close.
Hey guys, I'm gonna take Christian's Rubik's Cube while he's not looking. Shh.
Danny, where's my Rubik's Cube?
Oh, Ben, this must be my big surprise. How romantic. What?
You weren't expecting premarital sex, were you?
What do you call this?
That's a cock.
Ah, you fool! I have made you describe a synonym for the male genitalia.
It's recording. Don't you do anything to my phone. Dixie, it's my phone. Dixie. Stop
I just want to exude like bastard energy. You know, like a cat. I want to be like a cat, where everyone's like a little bit afraid and concerned for me, but I can't. I need everyone to like me. I have too much anxiety and self-doubt to achieve bastard.
I was a girl in the village doing alright. Then I became a princess overnight. Now I gotta figure out how to do it right. So much to learn and see.
So, when I was a kid, kids used to make fun of me because I'm kind of out there. And they used to call me Dunlap because my last name is Dunlap. But now, I'm just
using it for clout.
Attention fans, I have an announcement. My little sister is an admitted homophobe. Beatrice? I said be nice to gay people, and you said that means I have to be nice to you. I pass.
So, you, come here often? Bro, I will push you. I'm not even scared. I'll come at you, dude. I'm not scared of anything. I will literally do it. I'll do it, dude. I'll do it.
Okay. Stop threatening to push me if you're not gonna push me.
I'm sorry.
You know I like physical contact, and you know like when you hurt me, I like it. So just start doing it.
I don't want to tempt you. I do want to. I don't. I'm sorry.
Your breath smells like coffee bean.
It's the rules, Eric! It's the rules! It's the rules, Eric!
Can I kiss you on the mouth? No, I'm not ready. Okay. Can I get a kiss on the cheek? Oh, ka-chow!
Don't accidentally kill someone. Well, I'm not a fucking idiot. I know how to do it on purpose.
For baked goods, I tend not to eyeball because, you know, why invite failure, you know?
Oh, I thought you went.
Did you guys notice that, like, we all look like a bunch of gays?
Mike, did you just finish that?
Yeah.
How much caffeine's in that thing?
Only 140.
140?
Yeah.
Oh, we have a 3-hour car ride.
So? I'll be fine. You have my word. No energy from me. No energy. Whoa. My eyes are they're watering. Mom, can we pull over?
No.
I'm hot.
No.
Mom.
No.
Getting kind of heavy.
No.
I'm getting sweaty, Mom. Spaghetti. I'm going back. My hyper focus, my brain is exploding with ideas. Water bike, ride bike and water. Dream watcher, watch your dreams. Building bags, bean bags the size of buildings that everyone can just hop on and just post. Tell me that's not innovative. I'm tired. Mom, how many more minutes we got? Like 20?
No, Mike, we have 2 hours.
Dude, your face is so fucking punchable. I hate it. Okay. God, I want to do it so bad, but your teeth are so big, it's intimidating, and your lips, are you wearing lipstick? They look so precious. I am, yes. Okay, well now your face is like kissable, so I don't know what to do. You couldn't surprise me? Ah, fuck, I'm gonna have to kiss you, yeah. Whoa, you still kind of like knocked me out a little bit, you know, with like a kiss. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go to round 2, you know? Fucking square up. Shirts versus skins? Yeah, I'm down.
Ow. Francis, are you in pain?
Just the normal amount.
The normal amount of pain is none.
So how big are you? I'm 5'10". No, I mean in bed. Still 5'10", but sideways.
You cute as fuck! You cute as fuck! What you got going on back there, son? That's a set of extendo buns back there, baby. You fucking caked up! I'ma kiss you on your lips! Laying around like that all exposed and feminine and soft, motherfucker.
Swallowing glass just to stay pure.
If you put my name and your name together, you get mayonnaise. Also, please don't swallow glass.
Backflip. Backflip. Go. Emma! Emma!
Hey Ryan, what's juicier, this chicken or my ass? It's a turkey. Oh shit.
Hey guys, these are my parents' divorce papers.
Ryan, stop it. That's not funny.
Mom, it's for a TikTok.
I'm gonna wear this hat all night and then deny it whenever someone compliments it. Tell me you like my hat.
Your hat looks really good.
What hat?
It's me and Mr. Jones. Me and Mr. Jones. What kind of fuckery is this?
Hey, you ever just think about, like, ripping someone's heart out? Did I know? No. Oh, what's your fortune cookie say? I think I ate it. What's yours say? You will touch the hearts of many.
Guess what I'm thinking now?
Well, are you thinking about me?
Ah, gotcha. I'm not thinking about anything. My mind is a complete void.